If you have been using Canva in the past year or so, I'm pretty sure that you have been aware about the new changes made in Canva. So basically, we are no longer able to download a single object or single element design, especially premium from the premium libraries like the image, videos, or graphic vectors. We cannot download the content to our computer. This is, for example, a premium image that I got from here. There is a premium badge. And when I click share, download, and I click download again, I won't be able to do that. So there's this error message that says there's only one image or graphic on your design. Premium images cannot be exported on their own. Please add more elements and then try again. So this is preventing us from using Canva as a sort of stock library website, which is, I guess, a fair use case. But anyway, how do you actually get a single premium image, video, or vector graphic to your computer without seeing this message? Well, it's actually pretty simple, and there are two methods you can try. The first method that is pretty easy is really just duplicating this design. So I have only one page in this design. I can click on this button to duplicate the page, and it's essentially the same content. But when you do that, when you click share, download, and let's say I just want to download the page number 2, click done and click download, and somehow we can actually download the picture, which is kind of interesting. So we are able to download the picture by just duplicating the element. Okay, that's one method, but there is also another method that I sometimes use if I don't want to duplicate the page. So what I need to do is I'm going to add another element. It could be another image, it could be shape, it doesn't really matter. Let's say I'm going to insert some simple shape like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just reduce the transparency to 0. So the content is still there, the element is still there, but it's not visible. So you are able to download the image normally because now it's not only one element. There are 2 elements in this design, and we can download the content normally. So let's click share, download, and yeah, I don't know why the download button doesn't appear. Okay, the download button has appeared, and we can click download, and the image will be downloaded just fine. Even though it's essentially just one element, the other element is fully transparent, so it's not visible by the viewer. So that's basically 2 methods you can try to download a single premium image in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful. And if it's so, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.